Hello, one of the first steps to connect any Fastrack smartwatch to your phone is adding your phone number in the application. Once you enter your phone number, you will need to enter an OTP from your message to access the application. Unfortunately, if you have an international phone number, most of the time you will not get the OTP on your message. If you are having this issue, you can follow this video which will guide you on how to access the application. Basically, if you have an international phone number, your OTP will be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.